If I could show you a $7 AI system that generated $2,724 in commissions in just 5 weeks, and I could show you the proof, would you like to see it? If so, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. Okay, so $2,724 in just 5 weeks with an AI $7 one-time system. So first of all, here's some of my results. You can see whichever way, I don't know, I never know which way this works. 2025 made $41,692.51. And by the way, let me just say, I'm not making any income claims here, but I feel it's important to share some proof that this stuff really works. Now, the main promotion way that I'm going to share with you now is from a gentleman called Graham. So Graham's an awesome guy because he's shared exactly what he's done to make that 2,724 in just 5 weeks. Okay, so this might be a bit small if you're looking on a mobile, so I'm just going to read out the little bits for you. And if you stay to the end of the video, you're going to learn exactly how he does it. I promise you'll learn exactly what he does, right? So it works out at $233.39 an hour. Okay, and what he does is every day he records a 30 to 60-second video clip. I can hear some of you now going, I don't want to be on camera. There are services you can use, and if you're not sure, comment below. I can point some out to you. But one is HeyGen, for example. And if you've got a good digital AI avatar software, feel free, drop it in the comments. The more merrier. I'd love more engagement on my videos. So, anything you want to say, drop it down there. He'll then edit it slightly by putting some text on it using a free app, totally free, called CapCut, right? One video a day, and then he replies to comments. And at the bottom here, look, he says time invested per video. It's about 10 minutes to record, and it's about 10 minutes to reply to the comments. So he's spending about 20 minutes a day to make this income, okay? He's put the output here so you can work out the math exactly. So he's done about 12 hours worth of effort, 11 and a half hours roughly, to do that. Okay. And he's said down there, he's not a guru. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need an audience. You don't need pro editing skills or anything like that. You just got to be consistent. Okay. And the consistency is key. And there's a 15-minute training. I will show you where to find that exactly. But like I say, I wanted to share the proof. Week one. Now look, the system is called Lead Lightning, right? It costs you $7. It pays $6 commissions. And what it exists to do is help you generate leads and sales for any other business you want, right? So you can just do what Graham's doing and make an income from this, but Graham will also be automatically, right, promoting another business. And I'll tell you how that's done. It's a very clever little system, right? So you can see week one, $192, right? And thank you again, Graham, if you're watching this, for sharing this. This is like, what a fantastic community, guys. Would you rather work with somebody who's trying to help you, in a community where everyone's supportive, right? So Lead Lightning again, next week, $486. Now, pay attention there, AAA Workshop. He made about half again with the AAA Workshop, which stands for AI Automation Academy. And it's a small extra if you want to do it, but you can see here, it's probably worth doing it. I'll show you how much that is in a second. Week three, Lead Lightning, 372. The AAA Workshop, 375. Total of $747 that week. Well done, Greg. Now, there's another thing I want to point out on this one. So he did 324 with Lead Lightning. He did 125 with the AAA Workshop. But then, if you look down below, Diamond Free Ad Secrets. If you can see that on the screen there. He did $100 commission with that, right? So for this video, we're going to focus very much on the Lead Lightning. And I'm going to point out the AAA Workshop because you can see how well it works, right? This one is nice when they come in. And if you don't have that, sales pass up. So I'm actually cool with you not having it, but I think it's fair to point that out. Right, so without further ado, let me introduce you to Lead Lightning. Okay, so you are going to go to leveragethisystem.com. Leveragethisystem.com. Because why do you want to do all the work, right? So leveragethisystem.com, and it's going to take you to this page, right? And by the way, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because there's going to be more videos coming on this to show you how more ways you can, generate income with this, so we can scale and go above and beyond. But you're going to do that, and you're going to put your email in. When you do that, you unlock step 2. Now it's going to ask you for a code, and the reason it does that is because it prevents spams, prevents robots. So everybody that puts their Their email in is genuine person, and that's important because you're going to see why. Now, I'm already in the system, obviously. I've been in with Powerly system now for about 3-4 years, and their AI lead lightning system, and it's brilliant. So we're just going to continue the tour. I'm not going to get all the follow-up emails again because I've already seen them. So you come to this page, and as you can see, look, unlock your mini journey machine, mini money machine for just $7, right? And it pays $6. This video here is only 2 minutes. I'm going to suggest you go and watch that because it's only 2 minutes out of your life, and as you can see, it pays, right? Put your details in, and I also want to point you out to this. Look like a pro, earn like one too, and you saw the commissions for this. This is the AAA, the AI Automation Academy. It's only $37, right? It's on they do it on a special. It did sell for more, I promise you, right? So it's $37 one time, pays $25 commissions, right? And as you can see, a lot of people take the upgrade, right? So you're going to go and you're going to fill all that in. Once you've done that, take you a minute or two. Okay, so you've spent $6 and potentially added on the $37, right? Which I do recommend, but hey, it's up to you. That will take you into your back office here. This is the Lead Lightning back office. There's a nice video there to help you get around, but fundamentally it's very simple. There's 3 steps, right? 1, 2, 3. Step 1 is you get into the Facebook group. Now, I'm in an incognito browser, but if I show you the group, there is 50,000 members. Can't all be wrong. Okay. 50,000 members in this Facebook group. So here's the Facebook group, and as you can see, 50,000 members. Can't all be wrong, right? Can't all be wrong. Step 2 is the coaching calendar, because guess what? You pay $6 one time and you get weekly coaching to help you do this and help you put it into action and get your questions answered, right? So again, if you're referring people, you don't have to worry about it. They get lots of support, trust me, in the Facebook group and in the coaching sessions. What I want to show you in particular today is this. Click here to advertise your link. Now, they've gone above and beyond, especially when you consider it's just a $7 one-time payment, right? Because anybody that isn't going to pay $7, then they're just never going to do it anyway. They're just not, you know, it's kind of like a no-brainer deal, right? If you think about some people like that, they'll pay thousands for a business op and they go and take it seriously. $7 sometimes is actually detrimental because it is kind of that no-brainer thing, but some people don't see the value in it because it's only $7. But if you're not willing to spend $7 to potentially do what Graham's doing, then, you know, and you see what I've done, then maybe just online business isn't for you. I'll just be honest. Okay. So this is lots and lots of training. But what I want you to do, I want you to come over here to where it says Coaching Vault. Click that one. Okay. And then this is where you can find Graham's training on exactly what he did, right? So you know what he's doing. He's posting those little 30 to 60-second videos. He's being consistent. He's spending about 10 minutes to make it and edit it in CapCut. But this is the trick. This is the trick. Now, it's great. It's behind the $7 thing. It's not right for me to share it. Okay. But if you follow this training, you will be able to do exactly what Graham is doing. Okay. So that is where you find it. Okay, so let me just go through that again for you. You will go to all the way over straight to Coaching Vault. I want you to click that. Come down here. Your can't talk today. Your Coaching Vault is live. Okay, click Access on Demand. And it's the viral short plus how to trick Facebook's algorithm that is going to unlock this for you to get you that kind of response. Okay, so that's where you go and you find it. And with that said, thanks again for watching. Listen, please, if you like this kind of stuff about AI and marketing, just smack the subscribe button, give me the thumbs up. You'll get more videos like this, okay? I'm determined to keep doing this because I love sharing what got me to where I am on the front of magazines and on stage and stuff like that. So click the subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. But most importantly, leveragethesystem.com. 20 minutes a day. 20 minutes a day. Have fun with it and share your results. Bye for now.